Let's look at a scene in an early childhood environment in which the teachers, like all of us, face difficult behaviors and at times respond in ways that don't help the child learn more positive behaviors.
Joshua, you don't have to go to sleep, but remember, you have to stay on your mat. It's time to rest and relax. And playing with Wyatt is not a choice. Joshua, turn back around the other way and go lay on your bed. Look at me. Wyatt is trying to rest also. We don't want to mess with him. Wyatt is trying to rest, Joshua. He doesn't want to play. Alright, Joshua. Do we need to help you get on your bed?
No!
Tell Miss Leslie what you want. I'm not going to come back over there, Joshua, if you're kicking Miss Debbie. If you would like me to come back over there, you need to ask.
We'll take another look at this sequence at the end of the program to examine what might be done in future situations like this to help the child learn more positive behaviors. Meanwhile, let's begin answering the question, what is challenging behavior? Almost all children who have trouble controlling their behavior can learn new, more effective ways of taking part in school activities and playing with their friends. A child often shows dramatic improvements in his behavior when he learns how to use his words or how to control his impulses. But in order to have a chance to learn and use these new skills, a child has to be involved with adults who are committed to helping him. A recent study conducted by Yale University indicated that over 5,000 children were expelled from preschool in 1 year. This expulsion rate is more than 3 times that of children in kindergarten through the 12th grade. The study also described as many as 1 in every 10 children as having a serious behavioral problem. Helping these children can be hard work. Programs that expel young children often feel they can't help those few children using difficult behaviors while still meeting the needs of other children in the classroom. But the fact is, as a qualified teacher, you can help these children. You may not realize that you already have many of the skills needed to help children using challenging behaviors.
Teachers, oftentimes faced with challenging behaviors, their first reaction is, I'm not prepared to deal with this. I don't have the training to deal with this. When in reality, if she simply reflected on the skills that she does have, and I think that's the really key point, is that ability to really stop and do some self-reflection and take a look at what am I really good at, and maybe that I'm good at anticipating what the triggers are for that behavior. Well, that's going to really give me some good warning. You know, I may not know exactly what to do about that, but I can learn then to become intentional about some kind of intervention at that point. So I think, you know, really reflecting and developing an awareness of what skills you do have is the first step to realizing that you might be able to develop the confidence and competence to deal with the challenging behaviors.
Dealing with challenging behaviors is a normal part of some preschool teachers' jobs. Most children will at times use difficult behaviors as they try out different ways of interacting with the world around them, or as they adapt to difficult situations like a family move, parental separations, a new sibling, recent changes within the classroom, or other major events in their lives. Usually, children adapt quickly and stop using behaviors that aren't the most effective at helping them get what they want or need. But sometimes a child doesn't stop using challenging behaviors. Without help, this child's behavior will likely limit his ability to learn and grow. Determining the difference between behavior that is difficult but likely to improve and behavior that is challenging and likely to require intervention comes with experience. The description of challenging behavior used by some child development experts and cited in the book Challenging Behavior in Young Children by Barbara Kaiser and Judy Sklar-Razminsky has 3 components. Challenging behavior is defined as any behavior that interferes with children's learning, development, and successful play, is harmful to the child, other children, or adults, puts a child at high risk for later social problems or school failure.